I'm going to show you how to master mobile view versus desktop view inside GoHighLevel, so your pages actually look clean and convert on every device. Because a problem I see over and over is that people build on desktop while we know statistically most traffic comes from mobile, so you're kind of doing it backwards, which means your funnels look perfect to you but completely broken to your customer. So in this video, please watch to the end. I'm going to show you how to fix that properly. Okay, so we're going to go through how to design for both views, adjust the layouts without breaking anything, and make sure your pages convert no matter what device someone's on. So let's get right into it. Important one, this one. Okay, cool. So this will work for a funnel or a website, right? So it doesn't matter which one you're on. So on either or you have mobile and desktop view. Okay, so as we can see here on desktop view, so this is like a super key skill if you want a success in Highlevel. Like, this is like a mandatory skill set you need, because I made a rookie mistake when I first started. The website looked super clean on desktop view. When I sent over the link, like, okay, can you pay me now? Mobile view sucked. Like, look at this. So you can't even see the the three lines. The spacing's off, the lettering's off. The sub headline's almost the same as that. Desktop view, mobile view, completely different. Spacing's different. This image looks so big, but here it fits. These images look nice, and it looks nice with that. I put Michael Jackson there, just add a little spice to the video. I don't know why I did that, but I did it. Okay, right. But look here, this text looks way too big. And here it looks fine. The images on mobile looked way too big. On here it looks fine. Like, this is what you have to make sure this is a skill set, and we're gonna master the skill set in one video, which is this video. Okay, so let's go through it. Now I'm gonna fix it. I feel like you'll learn more from watching me do it, because it's the same thing you're going to do for every website. You'll learn more by watching than me just going through a PowerPoint and saying, make sure this is, you know what I mean? So let's go through it. So boom, let's say your desktop view is where most people edit and make the websites. It is good, but now you switch over, you're like, oh god, I got a whole nother job to do. And you're right, but that's what you're going to get paid. Okay, so first thing, this is way too big, so let's click on it. Just a little lesson about the boxes here. So green is like the outermost box, right? Then when you go in and in and in, you got blue outer, inner, then orange is at the most inner. Orange is all of these things. So if you add one of these, it comes in orange. Okay, that's just telling you, like, if I want to make welcome a bit higher, so I'll go on this box first, and then you can see the margin and padding, okay, has come up. Now what's interesting is that, as you can see the little button here, people miss it, is that there's margin and padding different for mobile and desktop view. Okay, so just letting you know that that's one thing to keep in mind. So if I want to make that a bit higher, I can go to, so we have orange, then we have purple. Orange is like the inner one, then we can just go a bit outer, go here, put that to 0, and it's gone a bit up. Then we can go to the outer one even more and push this up, and then outermost, and then you can push that up. That's just a little lesson beside the point of mobile and desktop, just good to know. Okay, so let's go into mobile and fix this up. So first, let's click this and go to general. This is the padding, remember, right? So on here it looks fine. On here that's not right. Okay, so let's just scroll down. We've got image actions. We don't need to go through that. Let's just find where we can change the height. Here we are. So this is where we can change the logo. Width is too high. Let's try 200. Okay, now that white box come back. That's good. Let's try 160 or 180. I think 180 looks cool. All right, so that's fine now. So that's one thing that we fixed. Now that's changed. Remember, this is changed and it looks good now. Okay, so next is this. So from welcome and the top, this is too big. Like, there's too much going on. So we need to click this and go to style, because we want to go on the margin and padding to change the spacing, right? So let's go change the spacing. Now make sure we're on mobile view. If we're on mobile, it's going to say mobile. And as you can see on desktop, what is it? 150, but on mobile it is 200. So this needs to be like, let's try 20 or maybe just 85. I think that'd be fine. That's fine. I think that's cool, right? But on desktop is different. So now we fixed that. Second is, why are these two the same size? It doesn't look right. And I think on mobile, because it's very like this, things shouldn't be on the side. Like on desktop it looks fine on the side because it fits, but on here it doesn't fit because the dimensions of the screen are different. So let's click here and let's make it central, right? Now border styles, if you have a border, you don't have to add a border, you don't need a border, right? But if you do have a border, there's different types of borders, but we're not going to go through that. If you want like one-on-one support with me plus all the perks here, if you use the first link description, get 30-day free trial with Highlevel plus that one-on-one contract snapshots. Just read that picture, right? Then you can jump on calls with me one-on-one, ask me one-on-one, and I can teach you the intricacies, but we're not going to go through borders and all that kind of stuff now, right? And let's put this in the middle, and let's put the button in the middle. All right, looks a little better. Now, the sizing of these two are wrong. Okay, so let's change the sizing of this. So let's click it and then go to general and then find where we can change the sizing. Okay, so here we are, here, font size, and this is on mobile. Cool, so let's change this to like 15. Let's see if that works. And let's see, just we care about you, best lawyers, we care about you. Best lawyers in New York, and maybe is this just having a look. Okay, maybe change the sizing of this a little bit. That looks a bit better, right? And make an appointment is a bit too big for me as well. Let's make this, the text is too big, I think. So against mobile, let's make this like 14. That is a bit better. Front weight, let's make it a bit more bold, like that. Okay, now as you can see, the bottom part looks a bit strange. So let's just come here, go down, look, it's at 300. Okay, so as you can see, this looks a bit confusing, but as you can see, like they've made an inner box, so the lighter rectangle and the outer rectangle, that kind of represents this. So if we, so this is like the inner rectangle and this is the outer rectangle. So if we come here and like go here, the inner rectangle, it will change the things in the inner rectangle. So here, this inner orange rectangle, so we just go like this, that inner rectangle changes. But if we go like this, we change the spacing on the outer rectangle. Right, so let's come here, let's go down here and just push this up. Maybe it doesn't need to be a bit big, but not too big, you know what I'm saying? So maybe like 125, maybe even a bit more, 150. Right, that's fine. Even a bit too big, but that's fine. Next, I don't know what this is here. Okay, I'm gonna go through a crucial thing now. Okay, this is super crucial. Some things on desktop look good and they should stay there. They should stay there. But then on mobile, you either need to recreate it or just not have it there. I'll let you know what I mean. Okay, so for example, if we go on desktop view, if we look at this client's feedback, this looks really good. Like on desktop, it suits, like it just fits perfectly. But if we just go on mobile, imagine scrolling through this. The text here we need to change anyways. But imagine scrolling through this, like, well, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, I've seen enough. Oh, 4, 5, oh, 6. No one wants to scroll through 6 testimonials. Like, no one wants to do that. So if you delete this, it will delete. Watch, if we delete this, it's now gone. It's now gone from this, but we don't want that to happen. We want it to stay on desktop view, but we don't want it there on mobile view. So how do you fix it? This is like a super, like, once I learned this, all my clients' websites and everything is better. Okay, let me just go back. Right, so it looks good here. So what we do is we click it, go to styles, scroll all the way down. Now visibility, we don't want this visible on mobile because it doesn't look good. So just click that. Now it's visible on desktop, but boom, is nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. What's this? Our team. I don't even like that. Let's click this. I don't even like that. Get rid of that on mobile, and boom, looks way better. Okay, so that's just a key thing to keep in mind. Be sure you've implemented that in, right? Also, join my affiliate program if you like Michael Jackson, because I like Michael Jackson, and we can have a good chat about that as well as GoHighLevel. Anyways, so let's change the image size of this. So let's go to like 100, and obviously we need to change all of this. So welcome to lawyer, whatever. This needs to be a mobile, way smaller. Maybe have this central, like I mentioned before, because right. And then that's fine. That's fine. This again, let's put this at like 17. Cool. This at 17. This, do you know what I mean? It's a bit repetitive, but it needs to be done. Okay, last one. Now it looks way better on mobile, and desktop it looks the exact same. When we started the video, this looked 10 times worse. Obviously we're not going through design, right? Like we can go through, obviously this image I would make it on mobile. Let's make this image like 100 or 200. And let's just make it look a bit better. So let's go to border. Let's go to like a double border maybe. And let's have it at like 5, 6. I don't know. Linked means it all like succinct. So they're all 6. So I'll put it there. If I can put this at like 90, it look a bit weird, but you know what I mean. Whatever. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't look too good, but whatever. Whatever, right? One rounded, let's just make it more round, maybe like 90, proper round, whatever. Okay, so that's what I'm saying, you can change all of that. So this looks way better to me anyways. Let's just make sure. So what height was this? 150. So this is gonna be 150. MJ, also give Elvis some praise there. Make sure this is, so I'm just going through this. I'm not sure, obviously this is a bit boring, but this is just what we have to do. I'm just showing you everything central. Look how beautiful. Oh, my chair just, oh my god, you almost bought my chair, what the hell. Anyways, this looks way better than the beginning of this video. So please like the video if this was useful, and please comment what you want to see next, because I want to know what people are thinking. Comment water bottle if you want a part 2 for funnel and design tips, and please join my affiliate program if for all the perks here. No one else is giving away free one-on-one support but me, because I'm putting my balls on the line. I don't know if it's even like, I don't know if it even makes like financial sense for me to do one-on-one, but while I still can, I'm doing it. Okay, so yeah, I'm just putting my balls on the line on that one, but who cares? I like speaking to people, and yeah, please like the video, subscribe. I feel like a YouTuber. Subscribe, like, yeah, that's it. Comment water bottle if you want to see a part 2 for more funnel and website tips. Yeah, anyways, alright, bye.